Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix login error on your YouTube. There could be few things that might cause this problem, so in this video I'll show you the possible solutions to fix your login error. So first of all, an outdated version of the app might be your cause. So go to the App Store or your Play Store, and then on the address bar type YouTube and enter. Now tap on the app once more, and if you can see any updates available, update your app. And then once you have updated your app, try logging in, and that will also fix the login error. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution as well. For the another solution, let's go to the settings, and here scroll down, and here you will see your option with apps. Tap on it. Now again on the search bar, type the name of the app of which you want to fix the login error. So here type YouTube. Now once this opens up, tap on the storage option. Now again, once this page opens up, on the bottom of the screen you will see a clear cache option. Tap on it, and that will clear the cache of your application. And once you have cleared the cache, and you can again log in, and that will also fix in the login errors. So if both of these solutions does not work for you, we have another easy solutions as well. So the another easy solution is, let's go back to our home screen. Now the another easy solution is uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. Long press on it and tap on the uninstall option, and that will uninstall your app. And to reinstall it, go to your Play Store or App Store, and then type the name of the app and reinstall it. So once you have reinstalled your app, you then can log in with your login details, and that will also fix your login error. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.